Hi friends, welcome to Guru Gyanam. It's all about home science. Atithi Devo Bhava. And in India, we treat our Atithi like that and welcomes them with full of heart and ensures better care and services should be provided to them. In ancient time, people goes one place to another where they stay at their relatives' place, friends' place, and sometime in dharmsalas. But today, there is a tremendous hike in traveling for various reasons. So it is necessary that every guest should receive the warmth and the best care and services in all respects. So today's topic is hospitality management. This video is all about hospitality management and this chapter is divided into two parts. This is part 1. Basically, hospitality is a relation between the host and guest. Hospitality management is a study of hospitality industries. Hospitality management cover hotels, restaurants, cruise ships, amusement parks, destination marketing organizations, convention centers, country clubs and many more. So what is the significance of hospitality management? There is two reasons why hospitality management is important, that is globalization and another is tourism. Globalization is the spread of products, technology, information and jobs across national borders and cultures. In economic terms, it described an interdependence of nations around the globe fostered through free trade. Whereas tourism, it is the act and process of spending time away from home in pursuit of recreation, relaxation, and pleasure while making use of commercial provision of services. So, with globalization, the world has become a small place where people travel from one place to another within the country and internationally for many reasons. Clear? Why do people travel? People travel due to business reasons or official purposes. There are various business reasons as globalization occur. लोग एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री में एक्सपोर्ट इम्पोर्ट कर रहे हैं. So that is the reason why people travel one place to another place for exchanging raw material or sometime new products. Clear? Another reason is for their leisure time and vacation. People travel one place to another place to expend their leisure time. Vacations बिताने के लिए अपनी जाते हैं. For various marketing products, they also travel for study and sometimes for pilgrimage. धार्मिक कार्य के लिए जाते हैं. You travel one place to another place. Like in India, we travel Vaishno Devi and various places. There are Tirupati Balaji Mandir and all. And if we are talking about foreign places, that is Kailash Mansarovar Yatra and all. Clear? And study is also a reason why people travels. Seeking health care, people travel one place to another for seeking health care, better or best health care facilities, and for visiting relatives and sometimes for shopping. So these are the reasons why people travel one place to another place. What people needs when they travel? They need a place to stay that is comfortable and safe and hygienic. And they also need comforts and all facilities Some people travel to see various places, especially for experiencing different cultures, seeing heritage monuments, wildlife, and natural beauty. This is the personal reason some pupils are born traveler. They enjoy traveling. So they need a place to stay that is comfortable, safe, and hygienic. So, what is the basic concept behind hospitality management? Hospitality is the relationship between the guest and host. It is act or practice of being hospitable, including friendly, generous reception, welcoming of guests, their entertainment, and providing services with warmth and courtesy. What does hospitality industry provides? The hospitality industry hence has grown to provide a home away from home. What? A home away from home. And this is one of the fastest growing industry at all. बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रोथ कर रही है हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्रीज़. Clear? So, as it grows very fast, we must know the different establishments offer hospitality services. There are hotels. An establishment that provides services such as accommodation, meals, and other services for tourists. Motel. A motel is a place you can stay overnight with plenty of parking and easy access to a highway. Lodge. A lodge offers rented, convenient arrangement, especially for sleeping, and may not offer food and other services. Then resort. A resort is known for its leisure attraction. It offers a broad range of amenities, sports facilities, and leisure activities, gives a total vacation experience. And furnished apartments. Furnished apartments provide all essential things needed by the guest. And next is furnished camps. Furnished camps provide hospitality to people who go for hiking, undertake adventure sports, etc. So these are the different establishment which offers hospitality services. Now, where are hospitality services being provided? Hospitality services are integral to the services provided at conventions, conferences, and other events, including wedding and parties, theme park, cruise lines, amusement parks, different guest house, hospitals, and hotels. Organization providing hospitality generally have management department. The fundamental principles of hospitality management are applicable to everyone. So for a smooth and efficient functioning, the tasks are carried out by different departments. These are entertainment and recreation department, different meeting and events, accommodation of front office, food and beverages services, and tourism. So these are the places where hospitality services being provided. Now, guest cycle. Because we are talking about hospitality management, it includes hotels, motels, and all, where guests come and they serve them like a host. So, when does guest cycle start? The guest cycle start even before the guest physically steps into the hotel. So that is a pre-arrival stage, then arrival stage, then in-house, and last is a departure. This is the guest cycle. So pre-arrival stage, the activity done in the pre-arrival stage includes quoting rates for a guest. Next one is a reserving a room as a part of central reservation system or reservation department. Clear? Then when guests come, in this stage, as the title suggests, the guest actually arrives and registers or check-in in your hotel or motel or lodge or resort. So this is the arrival stage. Next is in-house, or we can say occupancy stage. This stage do two things. What two things? That is, provides various services as part of requirements of the guest and ensures security of the guest and coordination of various guest services. Clear? So here guest satisfaction is a main focus in order to ensure and encourage the guest patronize and use of services of all of the establishment again. In other words, to obtain and retain customer loyalty. So it is very important that we must satisfy our guest जिससे वो बार बार आपके पास आए. It gives us profit. If we are in hospitality industry, the satisfaction of the guest is must. Clear? Next and last stage of cycle is departure. So the final stage of the guest cycle, where the guest is ready to leave, move out or checks out of the accommodation. Clear? So this is the complete guest cycle. There is one more thing you must know, that is guest history. What is guest history? Guest history is an up-to-date record of the room occupancy of the guest, is kept along with other information about the guest known as guest history. It includes feedback from the guest about his or her opinion about that services. Clear? Here you can take a look the record of guest history. Every hotel, motel, lodge or resort, any hospitality industry must keep the guest history. Here you can see, just take a look. There is a name of guest, how much rent they pay. Just take a look, how much rent they pay. Type of room, date of arrival, date of departure. Clear? And there are so many other information related to that. Group, CRM, there is total calculation of charges. So this is the guest history, and every hospitality industry must keep the guest history, and their feedback is also kept there for betterment of the hospitality industry. Clear? So this is all about today's video. What is next? In our next video, we should know about the department involved in hospitality management, what is the scope of hospitality management, and various career opportunities in this field. So I hope you like my video. So press like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to comment. And if you have any query, then please write in comment box and turn on notification. So press bell button. Thanks for watching Guru Gyanam. It's all about home science. Thank you so much.